So I came out of my local CVS today and I saw a group of workers laying what I thought was new sod. And I'm like, this is kind of an odd time to be laying sod here in the fall. But as I got closer, I realized it was like a true turf, like a fake grass, for lack of a better word. Now, it's funny, over the summer, I took my girls out to a park and we actually played around on a true turf type of surface. It was a multi-use soccer, baseball, football field. And if you get real close, there's actually a layer of rubber bits that is like dirt for cushioning and impact and just like the natural feel of a surface. Actually, a better feel than natural grass because it's all even. There are no hard spots. It's all sort of the variation is taken out of it. And recently I stayed at a hotel in Arizona that had many of their green surfaces covered in this natural like grass. So I wonder if that's a trend if you think about the economics of landscaping. Let's say like a hotel. The environment's tough. It's hard to grow grass. There's high use areas where the economics probably just dictate that a synthetic surface is better. I'm bullish, guys, on these types of surfaces. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you know. Do you work in this industry? Do you know about it? I'm going to try to do some research and find one or two of the companies that manufacture and install these surfaces and maybe do a video about it. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you next time. And in the meantime, as usual, guys, I want you to keep pushing play. You know, at first blush, I'm thinking it's got to be better for the joints and a more consistent surface than grass. Because, you know, it's essentially a carpet laid down. Rachel likes it. Pretty cool, though. I'm gonna do a little research and see what I can find out about these fields, but this is awesome. You see?
This is awesome.
See?
Dad's gonna show you run on a base.
You gonna run the bases? All right, show me. Go ahead.